Part 5. Comply with environmental regulations. Compliance means to cooperate with rules or standards. An act is a written law that has been made by Parliament. The legislation that concerns the hospitality industry with regard to the environment is called the Protection of the Environment Act 1997. It is a state act. That can be seen by the New South Wales in brackets after the name of the act. There have been amendments to the act since it was written, and the legislation includes these amendments. There are 5 main purposes to the act. First is to protect, restore, and improve the environment. Second is to provide information about the environment to the public. Third is to promote opportunities for the public to get involved in environmental protection. Fourth is to reduce risks to human health through the use of waste management techniques. And fifth is to continually look for ways to improve environmental sustainability. A regulation is a rule that's made by an authority. This can be a state or local government or a government agency. A regulation provides policy statements about an act. Codes of practice provide details about parts of the regulation that are specific to the industry. For example, there are insurance codes of practice, building codes of practice, accounting codes of practice, etc. The work cover code of practice controls the use of hazardous substances in the workplace, and this is very important to the hospitality industry, where many hazardous substances can be found. For example, the Act might say protect the environment. A council regulation might have the policy to save water. And a building industry might develop a code of practice which states that all toilets placed in new buildings must have a half-flush feature. It's a criminal offense not to comply with legislation, regulations, and codes of practice. Any breaches that you notice in the workplace must be reported to a person of authority. This could be a manager, supervisor, team leader, or trainer.